In today's video, I'll be telling you why people are blowing their accounts, or basically why you are blowing your accounts, okay? Because I know this is one of the things that is actually affecting a lot of people currently, okay? Why do you keep on blowing your accounts no matter how much, no matter what strategy, no matter what implementations you do, you keep on blowing that account? Why? Okay? Now, I'll be revealing this in this video. As I start, guys, please ensure subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever we upload these amazing videos. Now, most of us come to Deriv with very high hopes, okay? With very high hopes. Maybe that is something that motivated you to come to Deriv. Maybe you saw something somewhere. Maybe somebody told you something that made you venture or made you become interested in Deriv, all right? And that's basically what made you take the first step into learning it. Now, most people come to Deriv with very wrong conceptions, okay? Yeah. Most people, even me, when I came to Deriv, I thought that Deriv is just click and earn, click and earn. But quickly enough, Deriv teaches you that is not the case, okay? Now, let us go directly into the main point of today's video. Why do you keep on blowing your accounts? Most of you guys, you are blowing your accounts not because you're bad traders, no. Not because you have a bad strategy, no. Because of lack of risk management. Now, what do I mean? What does risk management mean in Deriv? Now, most of us, we trade in Deriv without an aim. All right, basically you wake up, you sit down, you start trading in the hopes you'll get some profits, and then you leave without even knowing the profit you want to earn in your mind, okay? Before you sit down and trade, you should be knowing the profit you're targeting today, okay? Most people trade without targeting a profit in their mind. They basically just sit, start pressing, start earning without even knowing whatever they are aiming for. Now, if you trade without an aim, okay, you might even trade for 8 hours in a row, all right? Because you don't have an aim, you just want profits. And if you trade without an aim, you'll keep on losing money, gaining money. In fact, I've ever been in a cycle whereby I started trading at around 10 a.m., okay? I made about $20 by 11. I lost the $20 by 10:30. By 11:30, and then I recovered it by 12, and then I said, let me make some more. So I stayed in that cycle of losing, gaining, until nighttime, and that day I slept with a loss, okay? So this is what you do. When you wake up, okay, you see your account balance, okay? You see the account balance that is in your account as you wake up, whatever amount it is. Take that amount, multiply it by 20%, okay? The amount you will get, that will be your target profit, okay? Even if it's a $4 account, take your $4, multiply it times 20. The amount you will receive, that is the target profit for this particular day. Again, take your amount, multiply it again times 20%. You see, 20%, the amount you'll get, that will be your target profit and your stop loss. Basically, if your account hits that profit of 20%, you leave. If your account hits a loss of 20% again, you leave. What that will do basically it will prevent you from overtrading. Okay? Yeah, because overtrading is actually one of the biggest causes or a biggest factor for most people blowing their particular trading accounts. Okay? So once you have a target profit and a stop loss, you're in a good place. Another thing, if you have a big account, let's say from 100, from $50, or even from 1,000, you take your account, multiply it times 2%, or times between 2 to 5%. You can take 3%, 4%, 2%, 5%. You take a percentage from 2 to 5, let's say 3%. Multiply it times your capital, times your balance once again. The amount you will get, that will be your stake. All right? Now, once you do this, first of all, if you just use a 5% portion of your account, you can never blow that account. You can never blow it. Because I've seen people saying they have blown $60,000 accounts, $100,000, $3,000. That is because of lack of risk management. In Deriv, for you to blow a $3,000 account, it is very, very hard. Believe me, it is very hard. Example, if you have a $3,000 account, okay? You take $3,000, you multiply it, let's say, by 2%, okay? Let us take the minimum percentage, times 2. That is $60. Even if you lose this $60 30 times in a row, 30, your account will still survive. So most people blow their accounts. That is why I told you guys, in Deriv, if you do not have risk management, no matter the account you have, you will blow it. Because let's say you have a $3,000 account. There is no way you can be using 500 or 1,000 as a stake. You will blow it. So what you should aim for is use a $60 stake, all right, if you have a $3,000 account, and then aim for a 20% profit. 20% of, let me calculate, 20% of 3,000, that is around 600. 600 is about 70,000 shillings, which is very okay. All right. Yeah. So guys, you must be very careful whenever you are using your account. Guys, risk management is what will save your account. Okay. Yeah. Having a good strategy, having a good mentor, having a good bot, all those are good factors. But risk management is one of the factors that will determine the survival or death of your account. Okay. So guys, please, to avoid blowing your accounts, use risk management. That is the most important thing. Use risk management. Apart from risk management, ensure you have good materials, good bots. If you do not have good bots, please stay away from free bots. Free bots again will cost you. It is better you spend money on a good bunch of bots than take one free bot and that free bot ends up costing you more than you will have actually spent on a good bot. Okay? For bots, again, my WhatsApp number is in the description. Apart from bots, ensure you're in a WhatsApp group of other Deriv traders. If you're not in a WhatsApp group, again, WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. Apart from that, also have a good mentor. Again, I'm here for you. WhatsApp me. All right? Yeah, basically having a good mentor, being in a WhatsApp group, having good materials, and most importantly, having a good risk management will save your account. And please, guys, look for good capital. Okay? Again, capital is one of the things that actually makes you more successful in Deriv. If you can access a big capital, you will be okay. If you can access 1,000, 2,000, 500, $600, $10,000 if you're lucky enough, that will make your work so much easier in Deriv. Okay, and please do not go and venture into high risk markets like even odd, rise and fall. I don't know if you're not sure, or basically you're just starting out in trading. Start out with over 1, under 8, over 2, under 7. Start out slowly and then build up from there. Okay, yeah, do not become a beginner and you start trading under 4, under 3. You will blow your account. Okay, yeah, guys, please take this into fact. This will actually prevent you from blowing your account. Risk management, guys, use the formula I've stated right now. It will save your trading journey. It will save your account. It will save your life in terms of trading in Deriv. For any inquiries about this, guys, please ensure you WhatsApp me. My number is in the description, because I don't want to see anyone blowing their accounts, okay? Because people are blowing their accounts like no one's business. I keep on seeing somebody say, I deposited 200. In fact, I saw somebody say they deposited $200,000 and do you know how hard it is to blow a $200,000 account? Okay? Yeah, please, guys, and if you have a big account, stop using big stakes. Use between 2% to 5%. That is what will save your account, okay? And if you're not ready to start trading, please do not start. Take time to learn, never rush. If I told you guys, binary might seem easy, but it's actually very complex. You must take your time to learn it, and then now you venture into it. Because if you force, if you hurry the learning process, guys, it will be very hard. You must take time to learn, understand, practice in demo, ask questions, and then now deposit and start trading with the low risk markets, and then build up from there into high risk markets. All right, that is a very good process that you should follow. Okay, if you have any questions, once again, let me know and I'll answer you. Apart from that, guys, I appreciate you being here. Keep trading, guys, keep pushing, and please, guys, ensure you subscribe and like if you have enjoyed this video. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching, guys, once again, and good luck. Bye bye.